Bows East this morning, August the 12th. Let's go fishing and see what we come up with. There's one. He about swallowed it. I'm gonna have to keep that one. I'll keep him because he ain't gonna live. I got this rattle trap. I cut the hooks off of it and drilled me a hole through it. Put me a little piece of a straw, like a tubing come off of a WD-40 can. Slide that through there, pull my line through there, tie my hook on there. I have a hard time hooking them because of the weight of it. But when you do it like this, when you hook them, the bait slides out of the way and all you're doing is just fighting a fish with a hook. I seem to be able to get more of them in the boat that way. I had one on, he come off, and another thing got it. That's a good sign. It's a pretty good fish there. Oh yeah. That's a good fish. Good keeper. There he is. Ooh, that's a pretty good one there. That's about 4 or 5 bass right there with you. And there's a good one. I've been looking for these about all summer. Finally, I get to 'em. It's a good keeper there. You gotta watch that treble hook though. They'll stick that hook in a heartbeat. Oh yeah, these are absolutely beautiful fish. There's plenty of them down there. We'll just keep trying. There was 3, maybe 4 with that one. There's another good keeper. Well, there's one. Pretty good little fish. I'll take him. Think I'm gonna keep him. Bean's already got a few in there. Might as well keep a couple more. Just hang on up there. Give me one more month. Well, it's a good sign. That means all these little bass I'm catching as bass of the future. A little better. Being as I'm keeping some, I might as well keep him. He's a keeper. Them little stump knockers. I dug me some wigglers. I'm gonna try them, but I want to bass fish a little bit more before I another good keeper. Pretty fish. time in Bayous East today. We caught a few fish, not as many as I would like sometime, but I'm happy anyway. And I just wanted to tell everybody I appreciate y'all responding to my channel the way you have. And I was not expecting that, but I do appreciate all the subscribers and the people that like my videos. And y'all continue to subscribe and like. And I just want to say that I want to keep my videos real. That's kind of the reason why my name of my video YouTube channel is Real Time. I'm not going to make up anything to do. This is what I've done for 50 years on the Delta, and I'm going to continue to do this. I do all types of fishing, and I'll do more kinds of fishing as the weather cools off. And I just appreciate everybody reacting the way they have. And I'm going to continue to make videos the best of my ability. And some videos is going to be better than others because I'm going to be catching more fish. But I'm putting on there what I do catch. So I appreciate y'all subscribing and liking. Thank you, and I will see y'all on the next video.